Hi guys, welcome to Gafford TV. My name is Uche Cheddar and I'm right here with my co-host.
Oluwotitilayo.
Yeah, you heard that right, the Lion. Today we're bringing you one of the most phenomenal and the most affordable property in Lagos. As you know, you're watching Gafford Property Listing, and this show is to bring out the very best of properties you can actually buy and the most affordable properties right here on this channel. I know you have seen a lot of listing of properties on social media, website, and all that stuff. So we're going to take you around to see this particular property. We call it Diamond Island. And this Diamond Island is one of the most fantastic islands you can actually be a landlord in. It's a very massive piece of land. We have the 300 square meter and the 500 square meter. And this piece of land is located at Sherry North, which is just on the boundaries between the Magodo and the Sherry North. And Magodo is the most fantastic GRA you can find in the mainland, and most of the celebrities, the big boys of Lagos, are moving over to the Diamond Island. A lot of people have started making their purchases, and you're next to make your purchases. So we're going to be going on a short break, but before we do that, my co-host is going to give us the music of the week, and then when we come back, we'll take you around this property.
Okay, the hottest music right now is Back to You by Black Hole.
Wow, I love that song, Back to You.
Everywhere right now, it's everywhere. So we're going to put you into the beat and right. Enjoy.
All the hearts are broken, lucky. Only got feet to protect me. All the lies I told them girlies. Goddamn, I'm way too reckless. My girlfriend way back in uni. Some things she'll never know. Oh Lord, I did her dirty. Something she'll never know. Hey. Big bank takes little bank is the law of the jungle. Hey. The girlie want money when I call, you know she gon' come through. Yeah, you know these hoes ain't loyal. Shit, none of my bros ain't loyal. So who be these hoes made for you? So what's poppin' now? Me never let them get in my medulla. Yeah, man's been bad since early now. They say my gospel's and circular. All of my enemies, they are hoes. So other killers where I don't go. Didn't mean to play with your heart, but that's just how the game goes. Let me go get him. Give me more, give me more. Step too slow. Fire. That's gonna burn out. All the hearts are broken, lucky. Only got feet to protect me. All the lies I told them girlies. Goddamn, I'm way too reckless. My girlfriend way back in uni. Something she'll never know. Oh Lord, I did her dirty. Something she'll never know. Hey. Big bank take little bank is the law of the jungle. Hey. The girl you want money when I call, you know she gon' come through. She gon' come through live on a Monday night. She gon' work after work tonight. When she tell you that she occupied.
Come back from that also break. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Yeah, I did myself. I like that song Back to You. One of the most fantastic artists of all time right now. Black Hole. And we're looking forward to bringing Black Hole on the show. Gafford Property Listing of this time. Because it's one of the most fantastic artists right now.
Yay! I'm excited. I hope you enjoyed it.
Wow. So Black Hole, shout out to you, Black Hole, for that fantastic music. Back to you. So we're going back to the Banana Island on the mainland, and this place is one of the most fantastic islands you can find on the mainland. It's the Gafford Island. So we're going to be taking you around on this show. When we come back, wrap it up. But if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, do so. Call the number on the screen. We'll be taking the question and answer as the show continues.
My name is Gbadebo Olatunde Olamero, the CEO of Gafford Properties and Home. I'm introducing to you Gafford Diamond Island, a formidable replica of the Banana Island on the mainland. It's simply classy. It's simply value on the mainland. Join me as I take you guys through the experience of a lifetime. Diamond Island is phenomenal. We're presently doing an allocation for all of our partners and privileged investors. Presently doing the allocation for the 300 square meter for 6 million naira premium, for 500 square meter for 10 million naira, and for the waterside, the real deal, the main Diamond Island, where you're privileged to bring in your yacht, your boats, and all of the exclusive demands that the first class citizens require, is going presently at a promo price of 15 million naira for 500 square meter. You need to see the view. It's classy. It's the future. It's 100% return on investment.
Yes, welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed watching that fantastic property. And to give you around the entrance, you saw the Channels Road, the GRA, and that is where this property is actually located. This is the property for this week, and next week we're going to be bringing you more and more property. But on this property, we're going to be telling you the documents attached and how you can actually purchase this land.
Okay, the documents attached. We have the deed of assignment. We have the registered survey and our COO.
Yeah.
Recognized.
Like you just heard her, the document attached to this property is one of the most accepted and the most recognized documents you can ever have on any piece of land you want to acquire in Lagos State. Don't be deceived. We have the registered survey plan attached to this property. We have the deed of assignment attached to this property, and the COO is currently in view. And so the land is very affordable, like you saw on that video. It's one of the most affordable properties you can ever find. For 300 square meter, you know it's 6 million naira. And for the 500 square meter, before the waterfront is 10 million naira.
And for the waterfront, it's just 15 million naira.
That's right.
You see, you have your yacht, yes, and if you haven't followed our page, want to subscribe right now, like and share. We're bringing you more available land at affordable prices.
Yes, we are Gaffer, we aim at keeping our word, and we hope to see you next time. Keep watching Gaffer TV. We'll be more exciting properties and more affordable properties on our video listing of.
She on this pipe, blow me until I'm satisfied. Yeah, I know you. They carry me for mine, but it's no use. You see me on the telly and it's stressing on your mental. I'ma know they best forget that. This sweets no send your mental health. Shit, you know they see I'm for internet. Look at the things I do. Oh, Jack can't save my soul. All the hearts are broken, lucky. Only got feet to protect me. All the lies I told them girlies. Goddamn, I'm way too reckless. My girlfriend way back in uni. Something she'll never know. Oh Lord, I did her dirty. Something she'll never know. All the hearts are broken, lucky. Only got feet to protect me. All the lies I told them girlies. Goddamn, I'm way too reckless. My girlfriend way back in uni. Something she'll never know. Oh Lord, I did her dirty. Something she'll never know. You people should stop fighting. You can always share. Move some over there.